By going to the resource lecture, you will be able to download a file called Java Web Services. That will be a zip file. Unzip the contents of it, go into that folder, and all the theory lectures are available in text format here. So the notes for all the theory lectures is available here, and it is organized by topic, starting with Web Services, the big picture, XML and XSD, SOAP Web Services concepts, REST Web Services concepts, OAuth, and more. If you go into one of the folders, you will see that there are multiple text files in a particular order, 1, 2, and 3 in this case. Open up one of them, and there are points from that lecture. So you can use these notes to refer to them as soon as you finish a lecture, or if you want to come back and revise a particular topic at one point, you can refer to these notes. They are organized by topic, and all the introductions for the hands-on lectures as well as the theory lectures are under this introductions folder. The hands-on coding part is not covered in the notes, but all the important theory lectures are in here. WS standards, REST versus SOAP, REST attachments, creating a REST client, steps to create a SOAP client, etc. So go to the resources section of this lecture, download it, unzip the contents of it, and you will find all these folders which have the notes ready for you.